Combat coughs and sore throats at home and childcare centers with this natural healing spray. With the Wonder Spray, you get fast-acting pain relief as it can relieve pain and soreness in the throat for children of all ages. Most sore throats are caused by viruses and bacteria, and the Wonder Spray is designed to destroy pathogens on contact. Wonder Spray helps to combat bronchitis symptoms, coughs, and dry, painful throats. Cough and sore throat season is coming, and the natural spray gives parents and childcare workers the chance to protect themselves and their children. Contact us at https://swig.io/sore throat cough.